that is it. I'm gonna kick you. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna kick you. Okay, you are going down. Okay, and now, Abby, you are my assistant. Where's my hair? Okay, your glasses are my fingers. Okay, Frankie. Okay, Julia's done that. Frankie. Hey, sis. Hello. What's on my tail?
Hey.
What's on my tail? Can anybody tell me what's on my tail?
Oh.
What's my tail? Anybody tell me what's on my tail? Someone please tell me.
I'm gonna fall.
My tail. What's on my tail? Oh, what? Okay. That's what's hair on my tail? I can't believe it. Okay, that's... Sis! There's a dog!
I'm bad.
There's a dog! Okay, Abby, you just, Sis, wake up! There's a dog! I'm dead. Oh, a dead dog. We should get the coffin. No, I'm dead. Oh, you dead? Then how come you can talk? I'll put you in the coffin. I'll put you in the coffin. Okay, the coffin. She's dead. I'm just gonna give myself that business. I can't. Is somebody recording us? Whoever's recording us, look at the coffin. Okay, that is okay. Frankie, wake up. Okay, I think you're dead. Where's the coffin?
Hello.
Oh, he's dead too.
Hello.
Oh, I see that too.
Like, hello here. Hello.
Okay, whoever's recording us, get out of the way. Like,
Come on, don't listen to her. I'm a fashion.
no, I'm a kitty. Everybody loves kitties.